Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or to our YouTube channel, where we exchange knowledge and we get better on a daily basis. So today we want to see how to make life easier for ourselves. So what I'm saying is, we want to see how we can automate our work. So let's take an example. So this is the score sheet of some of your students, right, or some persons at your workplace. So you want to, this is something you do on a daily basis, but you want to be able to automate it such that you have some kind of code written down that just skims through your table, skims through your work, and having automated the task just works it out for you easily without having you do the same thing on a daily basis. Let's say the expected score here is 100. You have the percentage is equal to divide so long. We're good. This is what this every day, so we can automate this. So the first thing to do in automation is you automate, right? You record, right? So let's say you're on the home tab, right, and you're watching, go to your developer tab. If you don't have your developer tab, it's quite easy. Click on your file, go look for options, click on more, go to options. Under options, click on customize ribbon, then ensure that the developer field here is ticked, right? If it's on tick, ensure you tick it. If it's already ticked, it means that you already have your developer tab right there on the Excel tabs, right on that grid. So once that is set, we are good, right? So give it the expected score. You have 100, so drag 100 down, quite easy, right? And what does you want to do? You want to run the percentage, 73 divided by 100, right? So but not just for cell D2, so drag it down. Interesting, we are good. We've not started recording our macros, so let's do it again. So this is what you want to achieve, right? So now let's record our macros, right? So let's undo this. Let's record our macros. So click on record macros, give it a name. Let's just call for this conversation, so let's just call it steps, right? So do what you would have done, right? Do what you would have done. You're not recording macros. Just do everything the same way. 100. So what do we want to be here? We want 73 to be divided by cell C2. So just that, 73%. Yes, interesting. That's all you wanted to do. Go back and stop recording. We are good, fantastic. Now go back to see your file. You can see that your file has been saved, right? To see what actually happened, so have an insight to what actually happened. All of these steps that you took, you actually recorded, right? And if you also translated into code, into VBA codes, right? So you click on edit, you see the code. So you can just scroll through. This is where you wrote 100, right? This is your cell C2 to C13. All of these things just to work things out for you, to make life easy for you. So close it. You can close this field. So now let's assume you're not dealing with these names, right? You're dealing with some other names. Let's say it's only Shola. Let's say Shola is here. Let's just tweak some things, right? Let's say Ngozi is not there. Ngozi is here, right? Let's say Ogechi is up there, right? So let's just tweak some things, right? We've changed names. The point is, we are not dealing with the same names. All of these details are not there, right? So go back to your macros, right, and have it do the exact same task for you, easy peasy, without any stress. Just click on run. You can see it has worked. I hope you've been able to learn something. I want to share this with a friend. If it's not clear, I want to reach out to me. I'm going to leave my personal phone number in the comment section. It's also going to be attached to the video. You can reach out to me for more clarity. You can also reach out to me to know what tasks you can actually automate and other tasks you cannot automate. I hope this serves you right? Thank you very much. My name remains Salako. Don't forget to subscribe.